I know you are busy in your coaching business, and that's why I created this video to help you create more, save you more time, and create more impact in your business, and to help you get more coaching clients online. Well, social media is one of the best place to put content about your business, to put content online, so you get more coaching clients out from there. Also, it will help you to grow your business. Well, I know most coaches are so busy in their coaching business that they don't get time to put their content on social media or manage different social media platforms, because it's not easy, right? It takes so much time. So they look for the best social media AI tools or social media automation. Well, for to keep that thing in mind, to help you with that, you don't need to search for this kind of videos anymore, because this video I make today is help you to do that. And this video is very different from all the other videos on the internet, because I make it so simple for you that you don't need to anything different in anything hard to do that. Okay, so let me first give you a demo how you actually have to do that, or what this whole automation actually do. So what you have to do, simply suppose for example you wake up in the morning, you get the idea about your social media, you get pretty cool idea that you wanted to share with the world. Now what you have to do, you simply have to take your phone outside, okay, and do a photo, click a photo. If you already have a photo, you can use that, or if you wanted to click some new photo that you wanted to share with others, you can use that, you can click that. Okay, then click your telegram bot, okay, that I created. I will show you how to do that. Open your phone, record a voice message about whatever idea going in your mind for that post. Record that in a voice message format. Okay, it no need to be properly optimized or something. Just record a raw voice message. Whatever is coming to your mind, record it. And the moment you click on send, then the moment you click on send, it will take by the AI. AI will take your audio message, convert into a text, right? Properly polish it, convert into a professional content for your different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and whatever platform you wanted to post, and then publish on that platform. And it will use the photo that you clicked earlier. Isn't it great? Something very cool that you heard first time. Just suppose you don't need to even go to any platform, you don't need to even lift your finger. Maybe you lift to pick your phone, right? But you don't need to do anything else. You don't need to open your laptop, go on different platforms, type your post, nothing, right? From your voice message, it will create different kind of content for different social media platform and publish it. And not only that, it will also convert that content into your voice. The way you write the content, it will sound exactly like that. Isn't it something great? And that is the automation I built and I'm using right now for myself. It's super cool and super great. So I will show you how to do that in this video. So just make sure you watch this video complete till end, so you won't miss any point, because if you miss something, you will definitely going to get some error. So make sure you watch this video from start to end, and you will able to do this implement for yourself. And just think about it, how great it will be if you can manage your social media all by yourself, and just by using a phone on your hand, which is always with you, right? So you have to simply put out the phone from your pocket, record a message, and done. And there will be a post on your social media. That is great, right? So let's see how to do that. First thing that you need for this is a tool called make.com. Make.com is an AI automation builder tool, right? So you can use that. Then you need a tool called Telegram. Okay, you can download Telegram on your phone. And then you need a Google Drive or Google Sheet or whatever platform you wanted to use apart from Google Drive. You can try that. I'm using Google Drive, so just use that. It's simpler. Okay, and then you also need a ChatGPT AI. Okay, so that it will take your raw content and convert into a beautiful content. So let me show you how to do that. So first thing is, on the first thing, you have to take a photo, right? Previously I also made an AI automation that can simply take your voice message and generate an AI image. Okay, that is also very good, but I wanted to make it more unique. Okay, I wanted to make it more personal. So most of the people don't want to use AI image. Even I am not that fan of the AI image. So that's why I create this automation where you can click your own photo and use that for the social media post. So no need of the AI image if you don't want. So let's see how to do that. So first you have to connect your Telegram bot over here. Okay, so you will build this connection with the Telegram bot. That will be, let me show you how it will look like. So here is my Telegram bot, which is a social media bot. So here I give it a voice message, I give it the image that I wanted to post. Okay, And then on that it download the file. So here I download this social media, the photo that I uploaded, okay, on Telegram. So it download that photo, okay, then upload in the Google Drive. So here it is uploading that photo on the Google Drive on my particular folder where I want it to upload. So you simply don't have to do much over here, don't need to set up much, simply connect your Google Drive over here, okay, and make sure you choose the folder where you wanted it to upload, and then choose this Telegram bot download a file and click on save. So once you do that, it will upload your photo over here. For example, this is the one that I uploaded. Let me show you the live how you can do that. Okay, so for example, if I go here and I wanted to upload an image, what I will do, I will choose one photo, for example this, click on send. Okay, the moment I send, this will start work. Okay, so this started working, and over here you see the new file uploaded. So let it let's open it. You see the photo that I uploaded just now on the Telegram is now on my Google Drive. Isn't it cool? So the reason I am doing this is to store this photo first, so that I will use that photo later on my automation to upload it on the social media. Okay. So I put this from laptop. You can upload it from your mobile phone. It's pretty easy. Same thing. Just download a Telegram app on your mobile. So you can take it any photo. If you already have a photo which you wanted to use, you can use that. If you wanted to click a photo and use that, if you wanted to take a selfie of yours and upload that, you can do that. Okay. Most of the people, like most of the coaches, when they are doing physical events, they wanted to share about that event on their social media, right? Or post about that on their social media. So they can simply click the pictures of that event and just record a voice message and done. That photo with the voice message, which converted into a beautiful professional looking post, will upload on your social media, right? So once I do this, I upload this data, the file name on the Google Sheet, so that I can use this file later on. Okay, so this first part of the automation is simply take your photo and upload it to the online Google Drive. Now this is the main part of the whole automation. Okay, what it do? First, it will take see if there is any voice message on your Telegram. Okay, Telegram bot. So you record your voice message. This automation will keep on always. As soon as you record a voice message, it will take your voice message. Okay, then download your voice file from here. All right, it will download the voice file, and then you have to use a chat gpt AI. Okay, because that chat gpt AI API can help you to convert the voice to a text, okay, that you needed to upload it on the social media. So with this, what I do, use this downloaded file over here and use the model called Whisper AI, which is the open AI model, and then it convert the text to the audio to the text format. Okay, and then I use this caption creating. So here I create a caption. Okay, how I do that? Same again, OpenAI model over here. I use that. And then in the select method, you have to choose the OpenAI latest model. Okay, first choose the chat completion option, and then the OpenAI latest model, which is 4.5. Okay. Then in the message, you have to choose the role as a user. And this is basically, this prompt is one of the most important thing of this whole automation. Well, this whole automation is itself important, but this prompt is very important to generate the best content, right? To generate the content in your voice, your writing style. If this is not correct, then the output will not be that good. So let's see what I did. I asked it to, based on user input, create an Instagram post caption. Make sure it convey the message and the maximum 200 words output in my writing style with proper spacing and new line. So I gave it a little bit idea what I wanted it to do, and then the caption, that is generate the voice message. Okay. Then here is my article, understood the writing style. So I gave it one of my article to understand the writing style. So here is the sample from my writing style, and it will read that sample to generate the content in my writing style. Okay. So I did that. And then once you did that, now I wanted to pick that image. Okay. Download that image. So I picked that file of the image from here, Google Sheet, and then search for that image on the Google Drive. Okay. On the same folder, on the same file. All right. And then I download that file from here. You see, so enter manually, I download that file, and then it uploaded on the Facebook page. Well, before I go deep in how you actually build all these things step by step, let me actually show you the real life example of this. Okay. So right now I open my Telegram and I am going to record a voice message. Okay. And I will show you how to do that. So I already uploaded a photo in front of you. Now I will record a voice message. So I open my Telegram and right now I am creating a YouTube video and this is actually pretty amazing. This social media AI automation tool, no one in the world is talking about this. No one else built this automation, but I create this special automation for the coaches and this is just a demo of what it is. So I will show you more how to build it actually complete step by step. So follow me, subscribe my channel and I will show you more. So this is the voice message only and I uploaded it and send it to the Telegram. Now let me show you. So you see it already worked. And now let me go to the Facebook. So this is the last post that I did 40 minutes before. Now I will refresh it and let's see. Okay, not yet. It is processing. Okay, refresh it. And let's refresh once again. Okay, so it takes like a minute or two to actually comes. So we are checking instantly. So let give it a minute and yeah, refresh once again. So here it is, as you can see. So this is the image we uploaded right now, okay, in front of you. And this is the post that content I created. Let's read it. Just took a deep breath and wow, this is actually amazing. I'm reading a content. Right now, I'm recording a YouTube video featuring a groundbreaking social media AI automation tool I have created. Seriously, no one else is talking about this yet, but they will soon. Coaches out there, I have built this especially with you in mind. This is just a demo of what is possible, a small glimpse into how powerful social media automation can truly get when combined with AI. Isn't it great? It's designed to simplify your online presence, save your valuable time, and take your coaching business to the next level. But don't worry, I won't leave you hanging with the teaser. I am fully committed to showing you exactly how it's built. Step by step, from scratch, nothing hidden. If you are ready to unlock possibilities you have never even imagined possible, go ahead, follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Trust me, there is so much more coming. This is just the beginning. So, isn't it great? This is the post I just recorded in front of you, and this content is on my Facebook. Now, I showed you just for the Facebook, but you can do the same for the LinkedIn, for Twitter, for your blog article, for your Instagram, whatever platform you wanted it to do. Isn't it cool? And it also gave me the hashtag properly written content in my writing style. Did you feel that it's written by the AI? Not at all, because I did it a proper prompt. I with this proper prompting, it can easily generate and it works in the right way and generate a polished content in my voice. So simply you have to build this automation and yeah, done. Then you will get everything that you need to do. So let me actually show you how to build it from scratch, everything. Okay. What I will do now, I will open a new make.com. So first make sure to log into the make.com. Okay. So you have to log into that. I am already logged in. You can create an account. The first account, like they also have a free account, they also have a paid account, right? So try go with the free account for now, and once it's you see it's start working good, it's generating the result for you, you can upgrade to the paid one. Okay. So I am using the free one now. So let's create a new scenario, and I will show you how to build this one. Okay. So first click on this and search for Telegram. You can also use WhatsApp, but I am using Telegram because this is pretty easy to do on the Telegram. Okay. So click on the Telegram and search for the watch updates. So type watch updates. Okay. And then you have to choose a webhook. So for to build a webhook, there will be no webhook automatically created when you start. Click on add. Okay. And give it a name and then click on add again. Okay. So how will I do that? How you will do that? So for that, if you go, there is a AI tool, there's a bot in the Telegram that called bot father. You can simply search for the bot father over here. Okay. And once you do that, you can, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the first thing, new bot. Okay. So over here, once you enter this, type new bot, it will help you to create a new bot. Then it will ask you to give it a name. Okay, so you have to give your social media bot a name, whatever name you wanted to give. You have to create two different bot, one bot for the voice message and one bot for the photo. Okay, so first bot I will create and says personal social media image bot. Okay, then it will ask you to give it some username. So I choose this username, but it was not existed, so I choose another that was also not existed, so I have to choose one more. And this was there, so it create the complete bot for me with the complete API key. Okay, this HTTP key. Now I got my API key, so what I will do, I will take that API key and paste it over here. Okay, so let me show you. Click on add, paste your token inside the API key over here, and once you click save, that will add over here. Okay, so once you do that, click on save, and then the connection between your Telegram bot and your Meet.com will establish. Got it? So I will choose the connection I already have. Okay, and then you can click on save. So I'm just leaving it for now like this. Then click plus again. Now you take the photo, and that photo was read by the Meet.com that you uploaded on the Telegram. But now you have to download that file as well. So click on Telegram bot once again and search for download a file. Okay, this will download your Telegram file. So we have to give a file ID that you will get from here. So once you click on that, search for the photo and the file ID. Okay, put that. And we need a good quality image, so we will put the number 3 over here and click save. Okay. Now we downloaded the file. So first we received the file by the Meet.com, then we download the file. Now we have to upload that file on the Google Drive. So search for the Google Drive here. Okay. And then search for upload a file. So you have to build a connection with your Google Drive workspace. Okay, I already have a connection. You can build your connection by click on add and then sign in with Google. But for this, you need to have a Google workspace. Okay. Now, once you do that, you need to click on enter folder ID. So click on enter manually, and in the folder ID, click on to select from the list, and then in the drive location, of course, your drive. So my drive, and then new folder location. So choose the name of the folder. So I already have a folder from the name. So I just click social media folder, and over here file, just keep this download a file as an option and then save. This much is done. Okay. Now you will upload your file will get uploaded to the Google Drive. Okay. Then we have to do another thing, which is update a cell. Now, why is this? Because we have to search that particular file, the last photo you uploaded on the social media, on the Telegram. So we need that file only to upload on the automation. So that's why it is over here. So for this, click on create a new file, create a Google Sheet. So I will create a Google Sheet. Okay, and give it a name, whatever name you wanted to give. And over here in the automation, search for the Google Sheet and update a cell. So I will search for the cell. Okay, and then first you have to create a Google Sheet, and the same way you have to build a connection by logging in. So once you do that, search for a path. Okay, in the My Drive, and select your spreadsheet. So I will search for my spreadsheet, which is name from social media bot file. Okay, and then over here you have to give your spreadsheet a name. I already have a name sheet from the name social media bot file. Here you have to give a trigger, or you can say the heading. So I will say the file name, and then this will be your file cell. Okay, so once you do that, in the sheet name, choose sheet 1, and in the cell, just manually type A2, nothing else, simply type A2 and done. In the value, you have to give the file ID. Sorry, not file ID, but the file name. That's it. That's it you have to done, and then it's done. So with this automation till over here, you will upload click a photo on your Telegram, and send, and the photo will downloaded and uploaded to your Google Drive, and your file name will be stored on the Google Sheet. Okay, so now we have built this much. I will delete this one now. Okay, so now what we have to do, we did this one. Now what you have to do, go on the Telegram once again. Okay, create another bot with the help of this new bot. In that new bot you have to upload your voice message. Okay, so same process for the new bot. Then once you've done that, you have to build a connection with that new bot over here by adding a new webhook. Okay, once you've done that, in that new bot you will upload your voice messages. And once you upload the voice message, again same process, download that voice file. So over here, instead of this photo, you will search for the voice. So let's see where it is. Okay, so here it's not so directly. So what you have to do for that, first you have to record a message first, and then click on this and run this module only. So once you do that, I'm not doing it right now because we have to give it a text. So once you run this module only, it will automatically take your first output input as a capture that. So if I show you over here, okay, so you see this is the voice file ID. Okay, uh, here voice file ID. So this is your voice file ID that you have to use. Okay, so now I will go back over here. So once you use your voice file ID, it will done, right? It will download that. Then click on plus and now search for the chat GPT. Why chat GPT? Because chat GPT can also convert your voice to text. Okay, there are not many different AI tools out there that can do the same thing with the chatbot. So you don't have to pay for 2 or 3 different AI tools at the same time, but you can simply use the chat GPT. So go on that and search for the create a translation. Okay, here you have to first connect your chat GPT. So if you don't have that, click on this ad and you have to search for this, go on this link. Okay, so for the chat GPT you have to like purchase the plan to use it in this, but it not charge too much. You can simply buy the token for of $5, which can work for a month or maybe a 2 months as well, depends on how much you use. So you have to basically purchase the token and not the chat GPT pro account. So log in over here, purchase the token of $5 and start using it. Okay, once you've done that, put your API key over here, organization AD over here and save. Now you did that, keep it same, download a file option, select over here, whisper one over here, and nothing else, just done. Click on save. Okay, then again click on plus, open AI once again. This time we have to create a completion prompt. So basically we are using ChatGPT bot to write the content for us. What we will do, choose the model which is the best model now, 4.5, and what we'll do, same process, the over connection over here you already built one time, so you simply have to select from here. Okay, once you've done that, click on message, in the role choose user, and in the text content, the same text content I show you over here, you have to give the same prompt. Okay, you can copy my prompt as it is. So let it load first. The message input, right, the sample I submit, it will be different for you, but the remaining whole this content will be the same for you as well. So I simply copy this content over here and paste it here. So this sample will be different for you, and here the text will be different, this text. Okay, and the remaining content you can copy as it is and click on save. Because I tested this, it generates a good output for me, so you can simply copy it. Okay, then click on plus. Now we create the caption, create the post for your social media like LinkedIn, Twitter, whatever you want, you can do that for all platform. Now we have to download that file, but first we have to search for the file name. So click on Google Sheet, and same thing we did over here. So we have to get a cell. So in the search for get a cell, connect your Google Sheet again, same folder. Okay, so I'm not doing that now. Same folder, and in the cell choose A2. Okay, same folder, same sheet, and choose the cell A2. All right, after that click on Google Drive and download a file. Okay, because now we have to download that file that we uploaded earlier. So you already have a connection established. Keep reuse that connection again. In the enter manually, select from the list. In your drive, select the name of the folder, and then, so let me show you, social media folder. Okay, and wait. So what was the name of the folder? Social media folder. Yes. So it is correct. My drive, select from list. Okay. Okay, you don't need to do that. Wait a second. Sorry, search for a file first. So first we have to search for a file. This step will come later. So I will click again and search for a file and include that in between. So same connection again over here. And in the file name, the most important thing is the in the search of within files folder. In the retrieve, we have to retrieve the file, not the folder. And in the query, we have to give the name of the file, which will be value. Done. That's it. And search for the name, not the exact term, and save. Done. So you will get the file ID from here. Come to the download a file, and my drive. Basically, share it with me. And here you have to okay, let me just redo this. Delete module, add module, download a file. Okay, this one. So here you have to enter the file ID, and that you will get from the previous one. So this is the file ID. Click on save. Now you download that file, the photo that you uploaded earlier. You also get the text for your caption, for your LinkedIn, for your Twitter, everything. Now go back here again, and whatever platform you wanted to upload it, use that platform. So I will choose the Facebook here. And in the Facebook, you have to choose a create a post with photos. Okay. And simply you have to choose your page. So I will choose my page. In the photo, upload a photo. So you can photo from this Google Drive. And in the caption, you can leave it blank, but in the message, you have to put the message that you generated earlier over here. Sorry, not here, this one, this result, and save. So once you've done that, now you can turn on both these automations from here and save it. So once you've done that, this automation will be ready, and you can simply start using it from now on. Just go out or do whatever you wanted to do. Take out your phone whenever the idea came to your mind, record the message, and done. The photo will, the proper messaging for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your LinkedIn, for your Twitter will go and publish on your social media. Just imagine you don't have to hire even single person to manage your social media to do anything. You can post it from anywhere, anytime, whatever you are doing. It hardly take 2 minutes to record the message, and the whole post will go out on your social media platform. And once you do that, like keep doing it, within a month or 2 months, you will start seeing so good results because you are keep uploading the content, and you will start generating, like getting the followers, and they will start purchasing, enrolling for your programs or doing whatever you wanted to sell them. Isn't it cool? So this is so good, such a great automation. I am using it personally now, and built this to keep the coaches in mind. Okay, not for everyone, basically, because coaches are so, business owners are, entrepreneurs are so busy. Okay, so I built this for them, and like this is one of the automation I am doing it, working on so many more. All right, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. First of all, I would say I keep uploading about so much content for the so much AI tools, AI automations, whatever, how you can implement AI in your coaching business, so you can make more profit, get more clients, save more time, and yeah, generate the better results for your clients as well. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I will keep uploading more videos and I will see you in the next video.